Welcome everyone to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how to create a Quora account. So first of all, open the Quora application on your mobile device. You are currently at the homepage of Quora. Here you need to tap on sign up with email on the right side. You can also continue with Google and Facebook to create an account if you want to link this account with your Quora created account. I'm going to go with the email process, so tap on sign up with email. Now to create an account, you need to provide your name at first. Then below type in the email address. Then tap on next on the top right corner. So what you need to do here is confirm your email address. So they have sent a code to the email address of yours. You need to go and check out the mail and type in that code over here. I'm going to go check my mail. There's the Quora email confirmation. You click upon that mail. You copy this code from here and paste it on here on the text box. Then tap on next. Now type in the password and tap on I'm not robot. Go through the verification process over here. Then tap on finish on the top right corner. And just with that, you have created yourself a Quora account. You are almost done. Before you finish your creating an account, you will need to select at least 5 topics from here that you want to see in your Quora home feed. If you want any other languages to have in Quora, you can tap and choose from these options. I'm just gonna go with the one that is already over here and tap on done. There's your home page for the Quora. So this is how you can create a Quora account. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you.